A lot of people find it really hard to make bread at home. They're always really afraid to take that first step. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to make bread. The first bread in this list that you will learn is a bread that hails from Turkey and is often served at the side of a meal during the holy month of Ramadan. It's the bread to get started with. It's super easy to make and it's super quick to make. In this video we're going to do the Turkish pide. Now this bread is super simple and easy to make. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is take the sugar and the instant dried yeast and activate it. To activate this, we're going to pour some warm water and let it rest for at least 5 minutes till it's nice and bubbly and frothy. Next, we're going to sift some flour onto a bowl and then add in a pinch of salt and give it a nice mix. Pour in your yeast mixture and gently bring together with the help of a spatula. Add in your clarified butter. Dust your work surface with some flour. This will prevent your dough from sticking to your work surface. Dust your hands with a bit of flour. And now we're going to knead the dough. With the palm of your hand, gently knead your dough in a backward and forward motion. Once your dough has a nice smooth surface, that means your dough is ready to go. We're gonna turn this into a ball and let it rest and let the yeast rise. After about an hour, we're gonna shape this into our pide. So I'm gonna go with 4 small pides, but you could go with 2 or 1 large one. To form the pide shape, we're gonna use our fingers and our palms to stretch the dough into a shape of a circle. Then with your fingers, gently pierce your pide dough, starting from the center, and make small indents. Next, we're gonna gently brush some clarified butter on the pide dough, and this will help with a nice golden brown color. Optionally, you could also sprinkle some black sesame seeds or some nigella seeds. This is traditional in a Turkish pide. Now into a preheated oven, it's ready to bake. After about 10 to 15 minutes, your pide is ready to go. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before you cut into it. You could also gently brush some clarified butter . You could also replace the butter with some olive oil, and your pide is ready to go. It should be soft and fluffy on the inside and nice and crispy on the out. Serve this with a bowl of soup or with some meat or vegetables. Either way, this bread is really amazing. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing with many more videos to come. I post videos 2 times a week, and this is me signing off. Till next time, bon appetit.